The most asked question on my channel, apart from will you be doing any more Slovenian videos, is will you be doing Vlogmas? And let me first answer the first question, and the answer is no. There will be absolutely no more Slovenian videos on this channel. They are on the channel Me Time Škatlica, and if you want Slovenian videos, you should go there. From time to time, there will be also some videos in Slovenian on my Facebook channel, Tjaša del YouTube. Therefore, go there if you would like Slovenian videos. But on this channel, I am saying this for the 2000 millionth time, there will not be any more videos in Slovenian. Now let's move to the Vlogmas part. I will be doing Vlogmas this year, and yes, it's going to be in English. So half of my viewership is now going yay, and half of my viewership is super sad. All in all, I still live in Slovenia and my friends and family are Slovenian. That means there's gonna be a lot of Slovenian talk in the vlogs. It's all gonna be subtitled, but it's still gonna be probably almost half in Slovenian, half in English. So I don't have time to do two separate Vlogmases. I will be doing daily videos from Monday to Friday, and then on the weekend I will put it all together because I'm usually not with my editing computer over the weekend, and I'll post it on Monday. So on Monday you'll get a weekend recap, and every other day will be every single day until Christmas. My Vlogmas is probably going to be a lot different than last year because last year I was still in faculty, and this year I am not. I am just working on my business, so my days are a lot more fun actually. Because I couldn't film during the lessons at my faculty. So yeah, there is going to be Vlogmas, it's going to be in English, some of it is going to be in Slovenian, so I hope you will like it. I will do my best to make them as good as possible for you, and we will see us soon, very, 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 very soon, because December is already almost here.